Guess what day it is? It's open house day.
Your favorite real estate salesperson, Sandra here from Sandra Sells Dreams. Thinking about buying a home? Well, you're in the right place. I will not steer you wrong.
Don't just show up to an open house. Make it work for you. Here's how to get the most out of your visits.
Before you arrive, check the listing details online. That way, you'll know what the square footage is, what the price is, and the features, so you can focus on the things that really matter to you in person. Step 2, look beyond the staging. Furniture looks great, but look beyond the staging at the bones of the home. Things like the layout, natural light, storage, and also look for signs of damage. Step 3, ask the right questions. Don't be shy. You can ask about any recent updates, utility costs, the age of major systems like the HVAC, the roof, and any upcoming developments in the neighborhood. Your dream home is only as good as the location. So drive around. Check out things like the school, the grocery store, traffic patterns at different times of the day. Make yourself better acquainted with the neighborhood. Final tip, take notes and compare. If you're house hunting, you'll be seeing a lot of homes. So take notes, take pictures, and compare features so you'll be able to make the best decision. Want more home buying tips? Like and follow for more expert real estate advice. Remember, Sandra Sells Dreams.